What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one I have something cool to show you. So my phone is here and obviously my screen is here. If I want to access my Google Assistant, uh, generally I'd have to talk to my phone and it wouldn't go through my car very well. But what if I can add an extra button to my wheel where I can talk to my assistant? So that's exactly what I've done. And what is the weather?
Right now in Brampton it's minus 10 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of minus 7 and a low of minus 11. There is currently a snowfall warning in effect.
How tall is the CN Tower?
553 meters.
So the button itself is really cool. It's the Flic 2. It's about $25 US. Is when I purchased it. I think it might be a little bit more now because I got it early. But nonetheless, the button is really cool. The app is really easy to use. You can program the app to do anything you like. It does work with Tasker, so if you haven't watched my Tasker Tesla videos, definitely watch them. But basically, this is all it is. It's just a small button. So, I mean, you can stick it wherever you like. I personally was thinking on the door handle on the side here, where you can't really see it, and I have quick access to Google Assistant in my car whenever I want. The other nice thing about it is if you click once, it will access Google Assistant. If I double click, it'll hang up the phone call. So I don't have to reach out and tap my screen anymore to hang up phone calls. I can just use this button. I was playing around with different locations. I mean, it's really nice. It's small. It's Bluetooth. You can really stick it anywhere you like. The last piece of information you need to get this setup working, there's an app on my Android. It's called AudioBT Plus. It's like $2 for the premium. They do have a trial, so you can test it out beforehand. But the trial really helps link this button with the screen. So basically, all it does is whenever the button's clicked, it sends it to my phone. My phone connects and sends it to the car, and then the car pops up to talk to me, and I can do whatever I like. So this was the Flic 2 working in my Tesla, giving me voice commands. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you find this useful? Is this something you would use? For me personally, I've been on a quest since the day I started my YouTube channel to get Google integration as much as possible. And I mean, the fact if I want to take this and just stick it on the backside of my wheel as I'm driving, my hands here, I can just, naturally just click the button anytime I want a Google Assistant. So, yeah, let me know. Leave a like on the video. Do subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content. And as always, most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.